Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Car Release TV, your go-to channel for the hottest vehicle reveals and deep dives into the latest automotive innovations. Today, we're breaking down the 2025 Range Rover Sedan. A bold move from the legendary SUV brand into the high-stakes world of luxury sedans. Will it dominate like its SUV siblings? Let's find out. Design, where bold meets elegance. The 2025 Range Rover Sedan is a head-turner, mixing futuristic flair with classic Range Rover DNA. Up front, you've got a massive grille, razor-sharp LED headlights, and an ultra-sleek aerodynamic profile. But here's the twist. It keeps its SUV-inspired stance with a long roofline and aggressive wheel arches, giving it a commanding presence on the road. This isn't just another luxury sedan, it's a statement. Engine and performance. SUV power, sedan refinement. Under the hood, pure adrenaline. The sedan packs turbocharged V6 and V8 engines, delivering a perfect balance of power, efficiency, and smooth driving dynamics. With all-wheel drive and a lightning-fast S-tronic transmission, it's built to dominate city streets and open highways. And guess what? Rumors say an all-electric version is coming soon. Interior, next-level luxury. Step inside and you're greeted by handcrafted premium leather, cutting-edge tech, and a spacious, futuristic cabin. The fully digital dashboard, giant touchscreen, and advanced driver assist features make this sedan a rolling tech palace. Price and release date. Mark your calendars. This beast hits showrooms in mid-2025. Pricing starts at $100,000 for the base model, soaring to $150,000 plus for the fully loaded trim. So what do you think? Can the Range Rover Sedan compete with luxury sedan kings? Drop your thoughts in the comments.